I'm not coming here tomorrow, so this is the last day. End of an era. Hi my loves, welcome back to Lavendaire. Today I'm giving you a real, unaesthetic, behind-the-scenes look at what it's actually like to run the Lavendaire Shop this launch season. If you watched my last Diary of Becoming video, Diary 11, you know I called this era chaotic expansion. Wilson closed out his warehouse business after 8 years, and right in the middle of that, we had to move all of our Lavendaire Shop inventory while also launching our 2026 Artist of Life Workbook. It was a lot. This video shows what the following weeks really looked like. At the new office. Temporary office for now. Since we no longer had a warehouse or warehouse staff, Lavendaire moved into a small temporary office space generously opened to us by our friend Iris from Honeybell. What a kind, sweet gesture. Honestly, I am so grateful for her. Because we were starting fresh again, we basically had to get scrappy. We asked family and friends to help with the move and to help pack orders for the launch. I'm seriously so grateful for everyone who showed up for us during that week.
You got it. You're a big man. Watch your back.
G. Great. E. Hey boy. Great. Great.
Once the dust settled, both Wilson and I definitely needed to recover physically. Now that things have calmed down a bit, it's mostly just been Wilson, my mom, and me coming into the office every couple days to pack and ship your orders. We're just figuring it out as we go. It's been so interesting to feel like we're coming back to the basics. It feels like we're struggling together, running a new business again. Even though it's our 10th workbook, Lavendaire is still essentially a small business. I wanted to show you this because most people don't realize that this is what's really happening behind the scenes. It really is just me and my family packing your orders. On top of that, our one customer service rep, Ornella, who is based in Jamaica, was unfortunately hit by the devastating Hurricane Melissa during launch week. Her community lost electricity and internet for weeks. The one message she managed to send me was through the local bank who had access to Starlink. So we've sent some aid, and I'm wishing her and her community strength and healing as they rebuild. But yeah, since she was out of commission, I was also handling the wave of customer service emails. It was just a lot, doing every little thing. These are all international orders, so I have to make sure they survive the trip around the world. So they're literally going everywhere. Switzerland, this one's going to Yanbu. I don't even know where Yanbu is. I think it's the Middle East. Yanbu? Have you heard of that place? Oh no. We got some going to Thailand. This is Germany, or Denmark. Is it Denmark or Germany? Japan. I have many to tape. This one is going to New Zealand. They're really going everywhere, which is amazing. This one's going to Malaysia. One time I was in Malaysia at the food court with my friends. I was only in Malaysia for like 3 days, and I bumped into a Lavi Love at the food court in Malaysia. It was really sweet. All right, it is the final night before we turn over this warehouse tomorrow. It's mostly clear. Wilson is clearing out some last boxes, and tomorrow morning they're gonna have to dump whatever is left, the little things that we see. I'm just cleaning up. There's still a lot of stuff we have to pack into our cars and take home. Extra Lavendaire stuff, Wilson's dog stuff. These are other clients, I guess merch, little things that nobody wants. Wilson is unboxing and tossing away, what is this, dashi powder. We already took 2 big boxes home. My family came to take like 10 big boxes home. It's crazy, right? Look at all this. We're at the stage of just take everything that looks useful, because otherwise it's gonna be trash. Everything is basically gone from the office side. So there used to be tables here, now they're gone. Wilson's office is pretty much cleared out. Let's see. Except for some little things. I don't think we're gonna take the tree. I don't know. I'm not coming here tomorrow, so this is the last day. End of an era. It was a great era, but I'm happy it's over. Now I feel like Lavendaire is finding its new flow, and with the rest of my time, I've been working on my app, Resonance. I originally planned more YouTube content for this season, but it just wasn't realistic. My schedule is different now. I have a lot on my plate, from getting out all your shop orders to building Resonance, and that means I can't create as many videos as I used to. And honestly, I've made peace with that. This past week, I really felt like I'm shifting into a new era, letting go of the pressure to be a consistent content creator. My role is changing. I'm becoming less of a YouTuber and stepping into more of a founder and visionary, or at least I hope so. I've been working hard behind the scenes building Resonance. We're planning to launch publicly on January 20th, 2026. If you're on the waitlist, you'll be able to try the app earlier in our beta launch. So make sure you sign up if you want to be the first to try it and help give us feedback on the app before we officially launch. But yes, the official launch date is January 20th, 2026. Mark your calendars. It's going to be a very special day. Back to the vlog, I wanted to show this side of the business because people often forget that all of this invisible work is part of entrepreneurship. Someone has to do the logistics, the taping of boxes, the shipping labels, the inventory, the customer support, all the unglamorous stuff. Being hands-on again reminded me of all the operational realities you forget when you're not in it every day. The actual process, the bottlenecks, the ways to streamline the system and communicate it to others. As a founder, I think you really have to experience every part of your business in order to lead it well. Even though my strengths are in branding, design, and creating experiences, this season has shown me how important it is to have solid foundations in your business, to have all your systems in place, everything well communicated, and really good people on your team that you can trust and count on. So thank you, my loves, for supporting Lavendaire in every season, especially the messy ones. If you haven't checked out the 2026 Artist of Life Workbook yet, you can find it at shop.lavendaire.com. Your support truly keeps this business alive, and we would not be here without our community. Also, to all of you who buy the workbook every single year, who have a whole collection at home with your goals, memories, and dreams held in these pages, thank you so, so much. It's so beautiful, so amazing to me to see how much of your lives have been shaped by this workbook. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much for being here and for following my journey, no matter how messy it gets. I'll still be trucking on, creating things that make me excited, creating things that will bring you delight, and things that will help you create your dream life. Sending you so much love. Bye.